Mark is behind the camera. I'm looking for a 1-bedroom apartment or possibly a 2-bedroom because if you guys watch my Entrepreneur Life series, I'm starting a business. So I'm probably going to need another room so that I can keep my office stuff in. But I think it's about time that I move out of my house. I'm getting kind of tired of being at home. So this is the first room I'm looking at, apartment I should say. And this is the kitchen I wanted to show you guys. So it's really modern, it looks really nice. The only thing is that this is just a handicap apartment, so everything's lower and smaller than it would be if we were in a regular apartment. So I have to keep that in mind, but just looking at everything, it looks really small. But I know that's because it's a handicap apartment. But I really like the fact that it's a very modern and updated space. And then I'll show you guys the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. I feel like the bathroom is pretty big, but again, it's probably only big because it's a handicap apartment. But everything's really cute, clean, and it's nice. And it has a closet for like towels and stuff, for extra storage. And we have to wear gloves because Corona. And it does have I think this is a dishwasher. It has a lot of cabinet space, I think. And it has double sinks, which is nice. Nice countertops. So this is the living room. This living room is really small. Like so small. Like imagine if a couch was here, a TV, a rug, and then a coffee table. Like it would take up the majority of the space. And I feel like it would just make me feel claustrophobic. So I don't think I'm gonna get this apartment because it's just too small. Like I'm not used to being in small spaces. But it does have a patio. But the patio again is really small as well. Like this is really small. Like you could have 2 chairs, but it would just be really claustrophobic, to be honest. So I'll show you guys the bedroom. The bedroom is not a bad size. Like if you put the bed like all the way almost to a wall, you could like take advantage of all the extra space. Like this is a very comfy sized room. Like I'm not complaining about the size of this room. I think this would be good for me. And they have closets. I didn't really look in here. But yeah, I don't really have that much clothes. So I feel like this would be enough for me.
She's capping.
I really don't have a lot of clothes. I'll show you guys the washer and dryer. That's another feature that I like. I don't have to like go to the laundromat or to the basement or whatever to clean. I have a washer and dryer right here. That's so convenient. So that's nice. But yeah, this is definitely really claustrophobic. I couldn't imagine myself living here, and if I did, it would not be long-term whatsoever. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys this apartment. We have another one scheduled up. But yeah, I put myself down on the wait list for the other apartment because the other apartment, it gave me better vibes than this apartment. And that apartment that I was on the wait list for was more spacious, and I like the price better of that apartment. And they're not as like strict when it comes to dogs. Like they don't care what kind of pet you have. In this place, I have a red-nosed pit bull, and this place has breed restrictions, and they're kind of like about having bully breeds, but my dog is not aggressive at all. But she said that if I can prove that like he's not like a full-bred pit bull, then it will be fine. But again, I don't know if I'm gonna move into this particular apartment because this is really claustrophobic. So yeah, so we'll see. I just wanted to get out here just to look and just to get the vibe and see if I can see myself in this space, and I can't really see myself in this space. So that's kind of the reason why I wanted to get out here, just to get a vibe. But it's definitely on my list, but it's not my first choice. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. I'm probably going to be continuing this series and just do apartment hunting. I don't know if this is going to be connected with another tour, but I'm definitely going to continue this series because I'm trying to get out of my house in the next year or so. So thank you guys for watching.